Hello students, welcome back to the YouTube channel of St. Wilfred College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Panvel. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss a new topic that is piecemeal distribution of cash. Now, what is the meaning of piecemeal distribution of cash? Piecemeal means what? Pieces means short pieces of cash. When we want to pay the liabilities, we will distribute the cash in a proper pieces, in a proper stages. It means piecemeal distribution of cash, means distribution of cash in a pieces, not in a whole lot. We will not distribute the cash in a one shot. We will distribute the cash in a proper pieces, in a proper stages. It is called as piecemeal distribution of cash. Now see the meaning. What is the meaning of piecemeal distribution of cash? Cash is used for distribution of liabilities in a stages, in a proper stages, not in a single shot. We will pay the cash to the we will pay the liability in a proper stages, not the whole cash will pay to the creditors. Okay, now see, suppose for example, if a partner decided to close their business on 31st March, so after close down the business, they will sold their all the assets and stocks to the outsiders and they receives the money. Okay, and also they will receive the money from debtors also, and all such cash is used for the settlement of liabilities in a proper sequence, not in a single shot. It is called as piecemeal distribution of cash. Clear? Piecemeal distribution of cash means what? Distribution of liabilities. Pay the liabilities in a proper stages. Don't pay the whole liability in a whole shot. Pay the liabilities in a proper stages. It means piecemeal distribution of cash. Then, whose liability will pay first? In a piecemeal distribution, amount released from asset. After sold the assets, whatever amount you will earn are used to settlement of liabilities. Then, who pay the first? First pay to the realization expense. Realization expense means what? Whatever expenses फर्म ने अर्न किए हैं, जो भी एक्सपेंसेस हुए फर्म के, उसको फर्स्ट पे करना है. देन कॉन्टिजेंट लायबिलिटी. कॉन्टिजेंट लायबिलिटी मींस contingent liabilities means such as bill discounted. These are the contingent liabilities. And next pay to the outsider liabilities. Outsider liabilities means creditors, banks, governments. Okay, next pay to the partner's loan, then pay to the partner's loan. Clear? After realizing the assets, whatever cash you earn, pay to the creditors, pay the liabilities, whatever liabilities you have, pay the liabilities in a proper sequence. First pay the expenses, second pay the contingent liability. Contingent liability means bill discounted, such as the contingent liabilities. Third, next pay to the outsider liabilities, then partner's loan, and then partner's capital. Clear? Now outsider liabilities means what? Outsider liabilities means amount due to outsiders. Amount due to the outsiders other than partners, such as creditors, banks. पार्टनर्स को छोड़ के जो भी आउटसाइडर्स है उनकी liability you need to pay first. Outsider liability is divided into two parts. Then outsider liability is divided into two parts. First is secured creditors and second is unsecured creditor. Then secured creditors means what? Secured means dues are secured. Dues are secured, such as the pledge, mortgage of assets, for example, bank overdraft. Secure creditors may also divide into two types. X is fully secured creditors and next is partly secured creditors. Fully secured creditors means what? The amount due is fully covered by the amount of assets. The amount due is fully covered by the amount of assets. And next is partly secured creditor. Partly secured creditors means those liabilities which are partly secured remain against the assets, and remaining amount is treated as the unsecured creditors. Clear? Secured creditors are divided into two types. First is fully secured, means whole their liability is secured against the asset. Whole their liability is secured against the asset. And partly secured means partly liability is secured against the assets, and remaining liability is treated as the unsecured creditors. Then unsecured creditors means what? No specific security at all, means their liabilities are not secured. Unsecured creditors means what? Their liabilities are not secured. Unsecured creditors divide into following types. First is preference share creditors. Preference share creditors means amount paid to governments, such as the income tax. For example, income tax, amount paid to the governments and amount paid to the employees, means salary, wages. Okay. And next is other unsecured creditors. Other unsecured creditors means all the remaining creditors, means your partners, your partner loan, your partner's capital, all such creditors should be paid. Clear? Piecemeal distribution of cash means what? Distribution of cash in a proper stage. After dissolution of business, whatever money you will receive from the asset or from the debtors, all such cash is used for the settlement of liabilities. It is called as piecemeal distribution of cash. Then how can you settle the liabilities? Then you need to follow the proper order. First pay the expenses, then pay the contingent liability, then pay the outsider liabilities. Outsider liabilities means government, employee salary and wages, then bank overdraft, all such as the outsider liabilities. Then pay the partner's loan. If you take on a loan from a partners, then pay the partner's loan. And fifth is partner's capital. Clear? And next is outsider liabilities are divided into two types, secured and unsecured. Secured means their liabilities are secured. Unsecured means the liabilities are not secured against the assets. Clear? This is the piecemeal distribution of cash. Okay? And to solve the problem on this topic, you need to understand some statements. That statements we will explain in a next lecture. I hope this lecture you will understood very well. Thank you.